Located on the seafront in Pozzallo, Terrazze Sul Mare offers a seaview terrace, free Wi-Fi, and a sweet Italian breakfast served daily. The air-conditioned rooms come with satellite TV, a fridge, and a private bathroom with a hairdryer and free toiletries. The property is 1 kilometre from the harbour, where hydrofoils depart for Malta. Modica and the UNESCO-listed Val di Noto are a 20-minute drive away. Pozzallo is an Italian small town in the province of Raguse, located in the southeast coast of Sicily, and is a wonderful town full of natural beauty and amenities. The town has a super beautiful beach and a variety of historical sites, including the 16th century Santa Maria di Portosalvo church. There are also a lot of restaurants, cafes and boutiques in the old town of Pozzallo, offering visitors a taste of local food and culture. The city is well connected to the rest of Sicily by rail, bus and ferry, and is an excellent base from which to explore the area. There are also a number of boat tours and excursions from Pozzallo, allowing visitors to experience the stunning coastline and islands of the Mediterranean. For those looking for a more active holiday, Pozzallo has many options for activities such as fishing, sailing, windsurfing and diving. There are also many beaches for relaxing and sunbathing. Modica. The Sicilian town of Modica is a beautiful tourist destination. Situated in southern Italy, the city is famous for its Baroque architecture, beautiful churches and amazing Sicilian cuisine. Modica is a city steeped in history, with its origins dating back to the 15th century and its culture reflecting the various empires that have occupied the region. Visitors to the city can explore its winding streets, admire its colorful palazzos, and indulge in its delicious food. If you're looking for an authentic Italian experience,
below, in the description you will find useful information and links to book hotels or bed and breakfast. If you have any doubts or questions, write in the comments below and we will answer you as soon as possible. Help us grow by liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you and see you at the next video.